Die Analogtage 2025, Sky Analog. Wir waren schon in der Fabrik. Wir haben über Dämpfung gesprochen heute Nachmittag. Hier überall auch zu sehen in der digitalen Bibliothek zu den analogen Welten des Audiogenusses. Jetzt aber sehen wir mit Aaron Leung, dem jungen Chef von Sky Analog, was dabei rauskommt. Also die verschiedenen Modelle der Tonabnehmer und vor allen Dingen die wichtige Frage mit Antwort, für wen ist was am besten geeignet?
Hello everyone, I'm Aaron, OEM and Manufacturing Director at Sky Analog. In the world of vinyl playback, we've always believed that the cartridge is the soul of a vinyl system. It's the only component that makes direct contact with the record groove, defining both the accuracy and fidelity of music reproduction. With this philosophy, we began crafting MC cartridges in 2007, becoming the first MC cartridge manufacturer in China. Currently, our product line is divided into three categories: P Series, G Series, Rev, and Diamond. All models feature our signature Yen suspension. P1M features an aluminum cantilever and improved spherical stylus. It delivers a vibrant, balanced sound. It's perfect for those who want to experience the charm of MC cartridges. Widely compatible with tone amps and preamps, its dynamic sound stands out compared to the standard M-amps. P1G is housed in a vivid green aluminum shell. The P1G uses a boron cantilever and elliptical stylus for enhanced resolution, clearer heights, and precise imaging. Beyond the sound, its design has earned widespread recognition. It's the never-wrong choice for upgrading your MC cartridge. The G series is designed for audiophiles seeking higher musical performance, tuned for balance and natural sound. The higher the model, the greater the clarity and silence in the background. All G series models use a carefully selected elliptical stylus. Boron, ruby, and sapphire cantilevers are used in G1, 2, 3 Mark II models respectively. In my view, G1 Mark II adds a touch of high-end refinement, while G2 Mark II emphasizes energy and detail. G3 Mark II combines a solid foundation with nuanced, delicate movements for faithful musical expression. Overall, the G series delivers a full musical performance, transparent highs, rich mids, and elastic lows, fully unleashing your system's potential. The flagship Rev emphasizes precision. Its engine structure and magnetic circuits are redesigned based on the G series with exquisitely rounded coils. The state-of-the-art micro-ridge stylus unlocks more information, achieving top-level sonic performance and a genuine high-end experience. The Diamond 25th Anniversary Edition is our ultimate model, embodying all our accumulated knowledge in materials and tuning. The Diamond cantilever transmits groove information with minimal loss. The detail, emotional fidelity, expansive soundstage, and dark background makes the music feel alive, flowing and dancing. Every audiophile has an upgrade path. Moving from P to G series is a journey of emotional engagement, while Rev and Diamond offer the ultimate in natural progression. Audiophiles at every stage can find the right choice at Sky Analog without overextending their budgets. Looking back over years of development, our greatest reward is when the music moves the listener. Our goal isn't just to make cartridges that sound correct. More importantly, we strive to faithfully reproduce the emotional warmth of music. This is the philosophy behind Sky Analog, a pursuit of natural, pure, and transparent analog sound.
Hello，大家好，我係 Sky Analog 嘅 Jack。我係從細個嗰陣時咧，就跟阿伯父咧就去啲業餘嘅劇團嗰度玩嘅， 所以由細到大咧都係聽慣現場嗰啲器樂聲啊，同埋嗰啲人聲啊咁樣，所以到大個咗之後咧就好中意音樂㗎。我係從讀書嗰個年代90年代初就開始玩 Hi-Fi 音響嘅，當時咧就主要就係流行黑膠咯，所以咧當時期咧就收藏咗有2000張黑膠嘅唱片嘅，所以到咗自己從事音響嗰陣時咧，就開始做膽機啊、唱盤啊、唱臂啊啲咁嘅周邊嘅產品。初期嗰陣時咧，就開始生產我哋自己嘅黑膠唱盤啦，就為咗唱臂。因為當時咧就收藏咗好多黑膠嘅唱片嘅，但係手頭上咧就好難喺市面上揾到個即係價錢合適，然之後聲音比較理想嘅唱頭。所以當時咧就有一個諗法，可唔可以自己做一個 MC 嘅唱頭呢？咁當時一諗完之後咧，就開始動手啦，咁就開始籌備。到07年開始咧，就自己開始設計啊，同埋慢慢開始生產唱頭入邊啲零件啊咁咯。其實做唱頭呢個難度都相當之高嘅，因為我哋喺中國嘅範圍內，當時咧都未有廠家生產 MC 唱頭，所以咧呢個難度咧非常之高，因為佢涉及到好精密嘅加工啊，同埋啲材料啊比較特殊，所以咧我哋都花咗好長嘅時間一直去研發同埋去拆解嗰啲進口嘅唱頭啊，去理解人哋嘅產品各種嘅特性咯。所以慢慢咧開始就從改良啊，到慢慢啦有我哋自己嘅特色，咁一步一步咁樣走過嚟。我對聲音嘅理解咧，就第一定係平衡度要好，要高中低三段嘅平衡度一定係要做到平衡先得，因為其實呢個係音響嘅基礎嚟嘅。如果你涉及到一段唔平衡嘅話，你聽起嚟始終都係有一個唔舒服嘅感覺。第二咧，聲音一定要有感染力，只要能夠打動到你嘅情緒嘅聲音，先至算係好嘅聲音。所以我哋喺呢個過程中咧，我哋係不斷咁樣改良我哋嘅材料啊，同埋結構啊，各方面嘅嘢係做一個不斷咁去嘗試同埋改良，最後先達到我哋理想嘅聲音。其實個黑膠成套系統咧，就係要講個諧振嘅，長頭都係一樣，因為你從20赫茲到20000赫茲呢個範圍內咧，個諧振如果係唔啱嘅話，出嚟個聲音一個平衡度就唔得噶啦。所以成個長頭嘅關鍵咧，就係喺個緩衝橡膠嗰度同埋個彈簧嘅配合，因為呢兩樣嘢配合得好嘅話，先能夠做到平衡高分析力嘅聲音出嚟嘅。